I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm down.
Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a show and tell on this unit from Ayiyi hair. If you're interested in checking out this unit, you see her. I'll have all that information linked in my description box. And with all that being said, let's hop right into it.
So what day did you say? Oh, perfect.
So this is how the hair looks after it has been washed and deep conditioned. It's a little fuzzy because I had it tossed on my bed, but we're going to definitely get it together. I'm going to start this process off by using my NYX Born to Glow foundation, and I'm just going to use this to tint the lace. To lock it in, I'm just going to take my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive. I'll have all the products that I'm using linked down in my Amazon storefront. Then take the blow dryer just to seal everything in. That way there's no transfer. If you're new here, this install process that I'm going to do right now, it's a glueless method. However, I am using adhesive. I'm cutting the lace. And this method lasts about an average of 3 days. With touch-ups, you can wear your wig for around 5 days. But I really don't like to wear my wigs past 3 days. I have a medium cap construction. I haven't tweezed any of the hair, so let's see how she looking. See how the hairline is looking. Since this hair has been dyed, you will need to make sure to keep the moisture locked in. I like that the hairline isn't like a just round hairline. It has dimension to it, which will make it easier for you to customize it. This is a random question, y'all, because I'm watching a crime show right now. Does any one of you guys like love to watch true crime? I promise I'm addicted to it.
Cheek, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy.
Okay, let's see how this lace is laying. And I didn't get a chance to leave it on as long as I would like, because as always, I'm in a rush. I gotta stop doing this to myself. Now, this is why it's best to adhere your wigs when you don't have no makeup on. I'm just taking my bronzer to clean this up. It'll look better tomorrow, I promise it will. We'll chat. Let's go in with this hot comb. Unfortunately, I'm one of those people who actually film when I'm getting ready to do something.
Slow motion, real shit. Them up, all they big talk, lot of I'll put them on. I'm just being honest. Lingerie, Dolce, blindfold. Tie me to the bed while we role play. Can't skill fold play, kittle kitty cold case. I'm about shit, but tonight we do it your way. On the count of 3, bad, get money. Broke to the love, we don't want help. If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking a cast. Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag. That could be your fantasy.
Is an episode of Trust the Process. I'm gonna insert clips of how this hair is looking right now so you guys can see how it looks while it's about 50% damped with product in it. I used that conditioner that I showed you guys, and I also used a mousse. I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront. But get into this 22 inches. And this hair definitely exceeded my expectations. I'll be back to show you guys how the unit looks once it is 100% dry. This is the next day, and this is how it's holding up. Let's come in on this hairline. Everything is looking good. Everything is intact. That install process is clutch if you want to keep your unit on for a few days. And this is how the hair looks after it's 100% dry with product in it. As I showed you guys in a tutorial, I used conditioner and a mousse. Once again, all the information will be linked down below in my description box, along with the information and the direct links to this wig. I know this is 22 inches. I cannot remember the origin of the hair and all that, so just check my description box for all the details on this unit. As far as the pros and cons, there aren't any. One thing I will say, but it's a personal preference, is that I wish it was a little bit fuller, but y'all know how I am. The bigger the better with me. So I think this is actually the perfect density for the average person, but if it was just a little bit fuller, my life just would have been just given. But it's still giving. I really like it. I'll insert different clips so you can see it from the back and all that. And it doesn't hardly shed any when you, because I did go in and refresh the curls today. So when you go in and you get your curls together and everything, it doesn't shed too much. It doesn't have a scent. I slept in it, of course, and I just put it in a little bun. And it didn't tangle in the nape or anything. So far, 9 out of 10 also recommends. If you're interested in purchasing from Ayiyi Hair, I'll have all their information linked below in my description box. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Is it giving spring? Is it giving vacation Mexico?